Let's go.
Cool. Oh. I think you got him, dude. You got him. Alright, I'm coming down. Did you get him?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Fish on.
Big squid.
Big squid. Yeah. Oh, look at him.
Holy shit.
He's a big squid. Nice.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh. Oh.
That's huge.
Holy snapping duck. Yeah. Right, Dylan, show us how you prepare squid.
Okay. So you gotta cut off the wing thingies.
Yep.
Remove all the skin off and then we'll take off the wings.
Cool.
Oh yeah.
Whoa. It's
Yeah.
like a knife or something. Man, this looks so tasty. Yeah.
Right. One wing.
So, right, so it's time to wash this bad boy.
So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn it inside out and then clean the inside of it.
Sort of like putting a condom on. Squeeze it, boy.
Shut up.
Oh! Right, it's ready to smack a lemon on it and then eat it. Oh. Is he good to go? Come here, buddy. Dude, you got a stingray. Nice.
Oh, he's trying to stick to the bottom. Did you just split it? No, you turned it around. Come back out like this. Yeah, okay. What? Just wait up. I'll bring him up. There's lunch. You're crazy. Stop that, eh? He's grabbing a stingray's barb.
Is it female or male?
Sure.
Male. Got 2 peckers.
Stingray! There's one fillet. So what do we catch him now?
I'll try to get a brim.
Sweet. Good size brim.
This is the nice brim that we got.
Yep.
And now we're just gonna cut it, scale it, do it. Do you wanna wash them?
Yep. Cool. Chuck in the stingray.
Then the big squid.
Yep. And then the brim. Press and hold the start button until light turns on. So we're making calamari.
One ring?
Sweet, that's a big ring.
No way.
Dunskies.
Smother them in a damn lemon.
That's right. Damn lemon. Oh yeah. I was expecting to hear a little bit of sizzling, but seafood seasoning.
That is a way to please a man. Oh, that's my good bit that I got. Is it good?
Really good. Actually horrible.
Good. how to do it. And then chuck on the fillets.
Skin side down, yep.
That looks amazing. One bit.
Yep. Yum.
How good?
10 out of 10.
That's good.
So we'll just coat the fillets in the flour before we chuck them on. Okay. Go. Stand back. Oh!
You have to do the 10 minute play.
Oh.
Himalayan pink rock salt.
Whoa! You don't go stingy on the oil. Bloody hell. Flip that son of a... Oh!
I reckon it's done.
Nice, check that out. Right,
Rocky
first
little-
bite of the stingray. That really doesn't taste like that. Really good. Yep, that's good. Guys, if you haven't tried stingray yet, try it. It's actually surprisingly really good. Like, I've had it before, but not cooked like this.
Yeah, like the seasoning on it, it's top notch, but the stingray, it's like...
It's bloody beautiful.
It's-
You should try it.
It's good, but it's like... Yeah,
You don't like fish, Dylan.
No, shut up. I got a knife, mate. But if you didn't know it was stingray, you'd probably like it a lot more.
Yep. Anyway, hope you liked our little catch and cook.
Yeah, see you next time. Subscribe, I'll put this knife through you.